Developing a celebrity crush is a common experience, and moving on from it involves similar steps as getting over a non-celebrity crush. While it's normal to admire a celebrity, it's important to recognize their flaws and limitations, as they are just regular people with their own lives. Understanding that a relationship with a celebrity is unlikely and prioritizing real, mutual connections with those around you can lead to more fulfilling relationships. To help get over your crush, remove reminders, avoid obsessing over their personal life, and replace daydreams about them with your own attainable goals. Engage in activities you enjoy. Consider dating someone from your life, and take time for self-reflection. Ultimately, focusing on real-life connections and personal growth is key to moving forward.